welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to on dark mode in our oppo phone. Friends, you want to on guys dark mode in your oppo phone, so you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to on dark mode in our oppo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so friends, first of all guys, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to on dark mode. Then guys, scroll it and guys you can see a display and brightness setting. Friends, tap here and guys you can see guys your dark mode and light mode settings. So friends, you want to on dark mode in your oppo phone, so guys you can on guys, you can see this icon guys, tap here to on dark mode. So after click here guys, your phone dark mode will on, and guys you can see your background will dark. So guys, tell me in comment guys, do you like dark mode and do you like light mode in oppo phone? So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.